Welcome to the Coastal Lowcountry Real Estate Channel, and it's another beautiful day in the Savannah area. So, are you looking to move to a Lowcountry area and want to live just minutes from the heartbeat of the city, but still retain a suburban feel? Are you looking for a community that blends historical charm with modern amenities? A community that has a diverse neighborhood with homes that are not cookie cutter, near cultural attractions, and a central location that makes it a desirable place to live, work, and visit? Well, if that's you, then we're glad you tuned in, because today we're going to look at an area sandwiched in between the bustling downtown and a more suburban Southside. Today we're going to explore an area in Savannah that's aptly named Midtown. Welcome to the Georgia-South Carolina Lowcountry. We're Keith and Donna Hellman, hosts of the Coastal Lowcountry Real Estate Channel and local realtors with Keller Williams. Do you want to know everything there is to know about living in the Lowcountry? Whether it's Savannah, Georgia, Hilton Head, South Carolina, Bluffton, South Carolina, or the surrounding areas? Well, then subscribe below and tap the bell for notifications so that you'll be the first to know what's going on in our market.
And we receive calls, emails, and texts every day from folks just like you looking to move to Hilton Head, Bluffton, and Savannah areas. And we absolutely love serving you.
So whether you're looking to move in the next week, the next month, or the next year, shoot us a text, send us an email, give us a call, or schedule a Zoom call, all in the description below, so that we can help make your move to the Lowcountry a smooth one. Hey, Let's get started. Midtown Savannah is situated between the bustling downtown area and a more suburban Southside. It is a dynamic area that beautifully balances historical charm with contemporary living. Known for its diverse neighborhoods, thriving commercial centers, and cultural attractions, Midtown is a beloved part of Savannah that offers a unique blend of old and new. Midtown's development began in earnest in the early 20th century as the city expanded beyond the original historic boundaries. As a result, many of the homes date back to the early 1900s. This period saw the construction of many of Midtown's now iconic residential neighborhoods, characterized by a variety of architectural styles, including Craftsman, Colonial Revival, and Mid-Century Modern. The area's growth was driven by the need to accommodate Savannah's increasing population and economic activity. Midtown Savannah is home to a range of neighborhoods, each with its own distinct character. Some of the most popular neighborhoods include the Ardsley Park, Chatham Crescent. Known for its tree-lined streets and historic homes, this area features beautiful examples of early 20th century architecture. The neighborhood's spacious parks and squares add to its charms, making it a highly desirable place to live. And there's the Parkside Community, which is adjacent to Daffin Park. Parkside offers a mix of historic and modern homes. The proximity to the park provides residents with ample recreational opportunities and a scenic and tranquil environment. There's also Thomas Square, which is undergoing significant revitalization with a growing number of renovated historic homes, trendy cafes, and local businesses. And then there's Anderson Heights. The homes in Anderson Heights range from charming bungalows to spacious ranch-style houses, catering to various tastes and needs. The diversity of architectural styles and sizes ensures that potential residents can find a home that suits their preferences, whether they are first-time homebuyers, growing families, or retirees looking for a peaceful retreat. We recently picked up a new listing in the Anderson Heights community. Listed at $650,000, this 3-bedroom, 2.5-bath, 2,400 square foot home was built in 1991 and sits on almost 4/10 of an acre. Let's check in with Donna at our open house.
Hi everyone, Donna and Keith Hellman here with the Hellman Group, and we have a new listing here at 1167th Street in beautiful Savannah, Georgia. We'd love to take you on a tour and a little bit about this lovely home. It is a 3-bedroom, 2.5-bath, 2,393 square feet, and on a huge lot of 0.39 acres. Let's take a tour. Did you check out the quaint courtyard here on the side of the home with all of its lush landscaping and beautiful trees? And here inside the home, we have a very open floor plan, cream, beautiful tile throughout the home. And again, this is 2393 square feet. Can't you imagine hanging out here with all your friends and family? Plenty of room to entertain, a large living room and dining room area. And as we walk into the other area of the home, you have plenty of room over here for another eat-in area if you like. Here we have plenty of storage. As you can see, you can put your appliances, extra appliances, plenty of storage. We have a pantry as well over here. You can stock all of your grocery items here in this very large pantry. And here you have, in the very open floor plan, a formal dining room. So again, plenty of room for entertaining. And this room is very large and spacious, just off from the living room and dining room area. And here you can have another eat-in area, or it is perfect for an office, as well as perhaps a media room, or for a family of several children, you would want to hang out and have a playroom. And this is one of the bedrooms of 3 bedrooms. This one is located just off of the large flex room I just showed you. This could be a perfect office or 3rd bedroom. And just down the hall from the living room is our 2nd bedroom. Isn't this charming? And we're here in the very large main bedroom. It's extremely spacious. It also has 3 closets, as well as a walk-in wardrobe closet. Let's check out these closets. Large, extra large, and extra large, and 2 more. 1 and 2. Look at this wardrobe closet. And this is the ensuite just off of the main bedroom. And also wanted to let you know that this home, the 2393 square feet, has luxury designer tile throughout the home. An entertainer's delight. Here in the backyard, we have a screened-in gazebo and a pergola and a large backyard with fig trees, large crepe myrtles.
Hi guys, we're trying to get to 2,000 subscribers by the end of the year. So if you're enjoying the videos, you know what to do. Please hit the subscribe button below. And there has been significant activity in Midtown over the last year. Over 365 homes sold with prices ranging from a $59,000 2-bedroom, 1-bath, 800 square foot fixer-upper on up to a $2.4 million 6-bedroom, 8-bath, 6,200 square foot historic luxury home built in 1935. The average home price in the Midtown area was $478,000 for an 1,800 square foot, 3-bedroom, 2.5-bath home. Over 300 of the homes sold were built between the years 1900 and 1960. Less than 20 of the homes sold last year were built since 2020. And only 14 of the homes sold were condos or townhomes. And Midtown's appeal to families is evident with its well-regarded schools, community parks, and recreational facilities. The area is known for its welcoming, community-oriented atmosphere, making it an ideal place for families to settle. Community parks in the area include Daffin Park and Grayson Stadium, Daffin Park, one of Savannah's largest and most popular parks, is a central feature of Midtown. Spanning 80 acres, the park offers a variety of recreational amenities including sports fields, playgrounds, and walking paths. It is also home to Grayson Stadium, the historic ballpark where Savannah Bananas, a popular collegiate summer baseball team, play their games. The stadium's lively atmosphere and entertaining games make it a favorite spot for locals and visitors. Another beloved green space in Midtown is Baldwin Park, a smaller but equally charming park that serves as a community gathering spot. Its well-maintained grounds and family-friendly environment make it a perfect place for picnics, playdates, and leisurely strolls. The community is also pedestrian and biker friendly. Efforts to improve the pedestrian and bike infrastructure have made Midtown a more walkable and bike-friendly area. Residents and visitors can enjoy the scenic streets and parks, enhancing the quality of life and promoting a healthy lifestyle. And Midtown's neighborhoods are also known for their active community associations, which play a vital role in maintaining the area's charm and ensuring the residents' voices are heard. These associations organize events, advocate for the neighborhood improvements, and foster a strong sense of community. As Midtown Savannah continues to experience revitalization and development, these neighborhood associations often focus their efforts on preserving its historical character while accommodating modern needs. New residential and commercial projects aim to enhance the area's appeal and provide additional amenities for the residents. And sustainable development practices are increasingly being incorporated into Midtown's growth, such as green building practices, improved public transportation options, and the development of additional green spaces, which are among the initiatives aimed at promoting environmental sustainability and improving the residents' quality of life. So as we wrap up our exploration of Midtown, we hope this gives you an idea as to the culture and lifestyle, as well as some of the homes sold or for sale in the area. Midtown Savannah is a vibrant and diverse community that beautifully blends historical charm with modern amenities. Its rich history and diverse neighborhoods, cultural attractions, and central location make it a great place to live, work, and visit. As Midtown continues to grow and evolve, it remains a key part of Savannah's unique character and appeal, offering a welcoming and dynamic environment for all. And as always, we hope you've enjoyed our time together today. We also hope that you found this helpful and even maybe learned something new. And if you want to stay up to date on the latest of what's going on in the Georgia, South Carolina coastal Lowcountry, please be sure to like, subscribe, and tap the bell for notifications so you'll be the first to know about the current market here. Or even better, if the Lowcountry looks like a place that you would like to call home, give us a call, shoot us a text, send us an email, or book a Zoom call, all in the description below. Again, this is Keith and Donna Hellman, hosts of the Coastal Lowcountry Real Estate Channel and local realtors, and it has been an absolute pleasure, as always, spending time with you again today.